Hello everyone, welcome back to our practical Cisco networking labs in Packet Tracer. In simple words, we will say networking labs in Packet Tracer. So we welcome you all to our YouTube channel Network for You. In this class, we are going to learn how we can download the Packet Tracer. If you watch our previous video, in this series, we are going to learn how we can do the networking lab, that is a practical about the networking, how we can connect the router, switch, so many things we are going to learn in this one. So this is a video number 2. In this one we are going to learn how we can download the Packet Tracer. See, Packet Tracer is free, but you need to register one website by using one email and the password. You need to remember the email ID and the password. Whenever you open the Packet Tracer, they will ask you, so you can input the same email ID and the password, and you can save for 3 months. After 3 months again they will ask the login details, so you need to put same login detail. Okay, so if you see here, we need to first of all we need to go to this website, networking academy. Okay, and link I will provide you in the comments. You can click and go there. So link also you can see here, netcat.com. okay, here what we will do, we will download the Packet Tracer. If you go to the courses, you will see the Packet Tracer. Click this one. When you click, you will get the detail about the Packet Tracer course here. Let me show you. Here it is showing that like introduction to Packet Tracer, and we need to enroll this course so we can have the login details. So if you see here, learn more, I will click this learn more. After that, if you see here, sign up button will be available. If you go directly here, you don't have create new account option in this one. You have login or forget password or recent activation email, but you don't have sign up here. So to sign up this website, we need to go in the courses and click the Packet Tracer. Then you will have this. Let me show you, because many guys are confused. So this is for the beginner who don't know anything about the networking. So you will go in the course and you will click the Packet Tracer. Then you will have this option, and you will click here learn more. Then in this one you will get sign up today English option. So you will click this one, so it will open the new page. In this one you need to put the email ID, some detail. With that one you can create the account. So by using that account you can download the Packet Tracer and you can practice the Packet Tracer. You can practice the lab. So depending upon your internet speed, it will take some time. So it is opening here. Let me check. It will open, and after that we need to sign up this one. Okay. So if you see here, this one, it has the this one. You need to fill the form. So what I will do here, if you see Cisco Virtual Academy, in this one we can fill the email ID. Whatever email ID you want to use, you can write here your email ID, your first name, your last name, your country and the region, and whatever option you want to select. Like if you want to get the update from the Cisco, you can click that one, and you will certify that you are above 13 years. Anyhow, we will do now. So email, you can write any email. So we will use our Network for You email. As we already know, I have the email ID. Many guys are sending the emails to get the support if they have any issue. So I will use that email to show you that one. So I will write here in this one, network, let me write here network for you. Okay, network for you 4@gmail.com, and here you can write your first name, last name. Let me write here, I can write my name, or I can write like network for you, or maybe I will write here network for you. Your wish, you can write your real name, no issue. I am writing my channel name, our channel name here, network for you here. Okay, and after that which country you are at present, so you can select any country. I am here in the Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, so I will select the Saudi Arabia here. Let me select the, you can select whatever country you are belong to or we are working there. Okay, so let me select the Saudi here. Let me select here, yeah, so I will select this one. After that, here they will give the region. So I am in Riyadh, so I will select Riyadh. You can select whatever state you have there, and please send me the update of the course and learning opportunity. If you want to get the update from this website, you can put this one, and do not send me any communication unless. So if you want, you can select this or leave. Here you can put what they are asking here. If you see here 7 plus 9, 9 plus 7, so this will be 16. Okay, so you can put the here to verify you are not a robot, whatever number they give, and click this one and create an account. So after clicking the create account, you will get the email to your email ID. So you can go to the email ID and verify that email. Okay, so let me open. I have another PC. I will open email in the another PC. Okay, so what they are saying that check your spam folder and check the email. We send the activation link. So I will go to my email. I have that email in another laptop or mobile. I will go there. I will check there. I receive one activation email. Okay, I receive activation email. I will click that one to activate that one. You will get one link. Just you need to click activate account. That's all. Okay, after that you can click here to go to the login here. Okay, you can click here to login the account. You will click here to login the account. After that you will put your email ID and the password. Just now what email ID we use, we will create that one. And password, when you click the verification email, they will ask you put the password. So you can put that one in the email. Example, just now when I fill the form, they send me one email in my email ID. Okay, and they send one link saying that verify this one. When I click that one, they are asking me put the new password. So I will put any password. Okay, I am putting any password in my mobile because it came in the mobile. I am verifying that one. That's why it is not recording. Anything you can put, no issue. Okay, so what I will do, I will write here, let me take any password. Okay, so I put that password. Let's me verify again that one. This is a password. I can put anything. Your wish, whatever you want to put, you can put and click the create account. Okay, so when you do this one, yeah, so now I can log in here. Okay, see here, so no worries, I can log in here. Okay, when I log in, they are giving me again the form. Okay, let me revise again what I am doing. First of all, we fill the form. After that, we will get the email in our email ID. Just click verify, and whatever username and password you keep, email ID and password, put that one. You will get the email ID. Okay, you will get the verification. You will log in there, and they will give you the again the form. So you can select here whatever you want to fill, anything here. Okay, so you can select anything here and date of birth, whatever you want to write, you can write. After that you can submit here. So let me write here, no problem. Let me write here. Let me change here. So let me change, and we need to create the account. Okay, so this fill we fill already. Now I will create the account. So with this one we have login successfully. After that you can go to the resources and you can click the download packet tracer. When you click download packet tracer, here different versions are available. You can check you are using the Windows or Linux or Mac. I am using the Windows and I am using the 64-bit. So click this one, 64-bit. So it will start downloading that one. Okay, so it will start downloading this one, and you need to wait. It will download. After that we need to install. Okay, or if you are facing any issue, no problem, write in the comments. We are going to show you how we can do this one again. Okay, I hope it is easy. No need to worry, it is very simple, you can do easily. Okay, so it will download. After that we need to install that one. So if you see here, download is finished. I have the exe file for the packet tracer. You can click show all or double click that one. You can copy wherever you want to save this one, or we can install directly by pressing double click this one. Okay, so we can install this one directly by clicking double clicking this one. Like this we can click and we can start installing that one. So no worries, in our next class we are going to look how we can install that one. In this class we learn how to download. Okay, how to download the packet tracer. Let me revise again before closing this one. See here, you need to go to this website, and here there is a no login sign up option here. If you are new to use this website, in this website we don't have the sign up option, only we have login option. So we need to first of all sign up. So how we will do sign up? You need to go to the course and click the packet tracer, and you will have the sign up option. You need to click here and register here. You will get one email in your email ID. Activate that link and then put the username and password, and then you will come here and you will click login, and you need to put the email ID, whatever email you use, and the password, and then go to the here in the, let me show you. First of all, let me log in here. When I log in, I have this option. I will go to resources. I will click the download the packet tracer. After that, here depending upon our system requirement, we can download, and once the download is finished, we can install. In our next class we are going to install that one. Okay, thank you, bye.